Confirmation bias is one of the most dangerous yet hard to recognize biases that can impact our investing. Confirmation bias is the tendency for investors to actively search for evidence that backs up a preconceived notion. Evidence that could oppose that preconceived notion is minimized or dismissed entirely, and evidence that is unclear is interpreted in a manner favorable to the investor's bias. In a landmark study published by the National Bureau of Economic Research, data showed that people tend to allocate their portfolios differently when different political parties are in power. This is true even though data also shows that there is no clear investment performance edge held by any particular political party. There are a couple of big dangers that arise from confirmation bias. The first is that investors may spend time and money on inappropriate or losing investments. For example, someone who's convinced that their favorite stock should go up may stubbornly hold on to a losing trade even when it obviously is not working. The second danger is opportunity cost. As an example, someone who's convinced that the market is about to go through a major correction or a crash may choose to sit on the sidelines in cash while the market goes on without them. So, how can you avoid confirmation bias in your investing? First, you have to recognize whether it is impacting your decisions or not. Now, the only way to really do this is to keep a record of your actions and thoughts, a trading journal, if you will. Without a written record, confirmation bias will reveal itself as recall bias. We tend to recall the past in a way that reinforces our current beliefs. Reviewing your records, your investing on a regular basis can help you recognize if you are suffering from confirmation bias. Well, the second technique is to focus more on results. Being results-oriented rather than worrying about being right can help you make a mental shift away from your own preconceived ideas and biases. Be open to evidence that contradicts your thoughts and avoid confirmation bias in investing at all costs.